everybody, this game is called Water Bottle Trap. Now in the origins of Lag BaOmer field days being created, the yeshiva students used to have to fight the Romans, sometimes using traps. They couldn't always use hand-to-hand combat. So we're going to set up a trap using a water bottle, a box, or a laundry basket, an empty bucket, and a ball. You could use a tennis ball, this is one of my dog's balls, or even a sock ball. So I'm going to set up my trap just by leaning my box against my water bottle, and I'm going to roll this ball into my water bottle. Now I want to hit the water bottle to get both the ball and the water bottle in my trap. If I get both of them in my trap, it's 3 points. If I only get the water bottle in, it's 2 points, and if I only get the ball in, it's 1 point. So you're going to do this for a minute and see how many times you can trap both the ball and the water bottle. Then when you're done, you can mark it off on your bingo card. So maybe Bruno will bring it back to me. I missed. I'm going to go again. All right, I got both the ball and the water bottle in, but I didn't hit the water bottle. So I would want to try again. Because you really want to hit the water bottle when you do this. I didn't hit it again, but keep trying until you get it. And maybe you have helpers at home to help you reset your trap too. Have fun.